This is a Wolverine. It's not a wolf, it's not a small bear. It's actually a member of the Weasel family, a mustelid. And Wolverines have awesome creature powers. Wolverines are true northern creatures. They live in boreal forests far up north, all around the globe, where their incredible endurance lets them patrol massive territories. Wolverines are long-distance runners. They cover a lot of ground. A Wolverine's territory can be hundreds of square kilometers. They're not a huge animal, not compared to wolves or grizzly bears. But these Wolverines are so tough, so ferocious, so brave, and so strong with a powerful bite, they are willing to take on a wolf or a grizzly bear that's many, many times its size. The Wolverine is one power-packed creature.